Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and start. What I want to do is I want to try and start over. So we're just basically trying to get this smiley face to pop up. Hopefully, I can get through this chapter so I can blog about it and get it out the way because I'm ready to start working on hardware and security. So what we're gonna do is, oh my god, Wolfgang, please, please, thank you. Okay, Twitch affiliate just means you will get a sub button. People can sub to you for $5 a month, and you get to have 3 emotes. What? Do I get the $5? Oh, I get part of it. I know I have so many videos to get out. You need 50 subs and you unlock more. What are emotes? What is all this Minecraft? I mean, this Twitch talk. Oh, oh, so now you guys have the emotes because I reached a certain. I'm so confused. Okay, so I'm gonna just start off with a new world and see if I can create. I need to find like a. I want to find like a flat terrain. What's this, ice? Okay, let's do right here. This looks like the Versace place. I have an hour and 17 minutes. Oh, and y'all, like, I'm trying to, like, as soon as I get off of here, I'm probably gonna just rest because I get to sleep tomorrow because I'm getting my taxes done finally. And I'm gonna go get my LLC. Yeah, I haven't been able to get the amount of sleep I need to function right. So I need it. I'm very late on the taxes. Very, very late. I don't really give a goddamn though. Maybe I should, but I don't. Basically, I'm just gonna go through and try and get this fucking code to work. No Treya or not Rhea. Yeah, I'm I know my stuff to an extent. I consider myself still very beginner. But when it comes to like having common sense about what to share and what not to share and like, you know, stupid shit to do on the internet, I think that's just common sense. But like we know, common sense is not common these days. So, since we're on the topic of security while I'm sitting up here and typing this code, what are some things that you guys think that shouldn't be shared online? I think you shouldn't share your social security number online. I hear your credit card isn't something you should share. Yeah, I think your credit card is absolutely. I think so too for a lot of people, Zach. Why don't you have a social security number? Go Sue. Who doesn't have a social security number unless you're. Oh, what are you? Where are you at that you don't have a social security number? You're human. Okay, but going worldwide, y'all. I don't need that type of stress right now. I'm not even mentally ready to go worldwide yet. Oh, you talking about on Twitch? I am going worldwide. I got somebody from Trinidad and Tobago in here. Welcome to the club. What else should you not share online? Which I always have problems saying that word. Obfuscates my identity enough to incredibly difficult for anyone. It's no one's fault. I hate that word. It's so hard to say. Obfuscates. Y'all, I'm actually doing very good tonight because the pressure's on the line. Fuck, I was doing so fucking good. Let's see if it created anything. Nothing. Hold on. I have this in here. Where is it? I'm just gonna keep retyping it until we get something. Underscore y plus 1. Plus 1. Okay. That was the entire code. Nothing. Wait a minute. Look, they're making, but they're not like together. Y'all see them? Look. Look, there's one right there. I'm trying to figure out, they're like spaced out. And there's probably so many more. No, these just spawned because I took a look before I flew around and there was nothing. So these just came up. You have to do the whole... Oh, fuck, no. I might fucking pass on this project, to be honest with you. Again, which is the one I have in the terminal right now, right? Fuck that. I am not. Use the editor. The interpreter. I need a...
Learn how to code blocks in Minecraft on a Raspberry Pi. Objects. In the last video in this series, I showed you how to use X, Y, and Z coordinates in Minecraft Pi to find your time programming Minecraft. Then I suggest you watch the first episode on getting started before following what we do here. In relation to the player, we specified here one block away from the player by using X plus 1. Save this file and then load a new world in Minecraft on your Raspberry Pi.
Okay, hold on. This works similar the way the level code from chapter 4 works. It uses 6R to check if the user has specified a file name at the command line. Did y'all hear that? Wolfgang, you know what? I've been patient. We're done. Game over. What are we doing now? I'm over it. I'm gonna have to like play with it on my, and I don't feel like doing it tonight. I'll let you know that much. And now I'm gonna leave a very lengthy blog post about how I could not fix this. Oh yeah, I officially give up. Let's do a cyber lab. I'm gonna have to write a very detailed blog post on them. And this cyber lab, as you guys can see, when I can't fix something, I go days and days and days and days trying to figure out how to fix it. I'm officially affiliate. I got affiliate. I'm officially affiliate. Time to make money. Let's go. Yes, now it's path to I can make money now. $5. I just want to thank you guys for... Where's my accent from? They hear my accent. Can you guess? Next stream. Okay, yeah. It's 10:37. Do we still want to do a cyber lab or should I just hop on tomorrow? We did a lot of work today. Caribbean-ish, New York. I get that so much. But that's not it. Hop on tomorrow? Okay. That's what I'm thinking too, because I'm very tired. Yes, I'm from Louisiana. I am from Louisiana. You haven't heard our accents. We sound very Caribbean-ish to people. Like a Southern Caribbean. All right, so I'ma hop on tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for helping me get to an affiliate so quickly. It's 10:40. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a good night. Thank you again. Bye-bye.